Rule 16. Action by give-way vessel. Every vessel which is directed to keep out of the way of another vessel shall, so far as possible, take early and substantial action to keep well clear. Explanation. Rule 16 applies to any vessel that is designated as the give-way vessel under Rule 13, overtaking, Rule 14, head-on situation, Rule 15, crossing situation, Rule 18, responsibilities between vessels. Key elements explained. Shall indicates a mandatory obligation. The give-way vessel must act, not optional. So far as possible allows for practical limitations such as shallow water, traffic density, weather, maneuvering characteristics. However, it does not excuse inaction. Early action. Maneuver should be made in good time. Early action is easily observed by the other vessel, reduces the size of alteration required, prevents last-moment emergency maneuvers. Substantial action. Alteration must be large enough to be obvious. Small, hesitant course changes are not acceptable. The other vessel should clearly see that you are keeping clear. Keep well clear. Do not pass close. Create a safe passing distance. Passing astern is often preferable in crossing and overtaking situations. Practical bridge watch interpretation. Do not wait for the stand-on vessel to move. Do not rely on VHF instead of maneuvering. Avoid a series of small alterations. One bold and early maneuver is better than several small ones.